Hi, teacher. My name is Caterine Garzón Bolaños. Learn and study questions and answers in English. These questions and answers are super important for people you want to travel to an English-speaking country. 1. What's your name? What's your name? Excuse me. My name is Catherine. 2. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Meta Department. 3. How long have you lived here? I have lived here for 20 years. 12 years. Excuse me. 4. What do you do? And in English, teacher and your school. 5. Are you married? Yes, I am. 6. Do you have children? Yes, I have one son and one daughter. 7. How old are you? I am 24 years old. 8. How long have you been working on your job? I've been working there for 9 years. 9. Where was you born? I was born in Puerto Concordia, Meta. 10. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a cat. 11. What is your last name? My last name is Garzón. 12. How are you? How are you? Excuse me. I'm great. I am great. Thanks for asking. Bye bye, Caterine Garzón Bolaños.